When you start OBS Studio for the very first time, the program will initiate by having you set up your first OBS Studio profile. A profile is essentially a collection of settings. This allows you to optimize each profile for different functions, for example streaming or recording, and easily switch between them. After you've set up your first profile when first installing OBS, you can create new profiles through the Profile menu by selecting New from the dropdown. After giving your profile a name, you'll be asked to set it for a specific usage. It might be best if you create 3 profiles optimized for each purpose: streaming, recording, and using your virtual camera. In this example, we'll choose Optimize for streaming. Next, you'll set up your video settings. These will be preset based on the kind of profile you're making, but you can still modify the settings if you choose. You'll then be asked to select which streaming service you'd like to use. In this example, we'll be using YouTube. Then select Connect Account to authenticate your YouTube account with OBS Studio. At this point, a YouTube user authorization window will pop up and a page in your internet browser will open asking to connect your account to OBS. Select the account you'd like to connect, then click Continue. Once your account is connected, navigate back to OBS and click Next. The configuration wizard in OBS will run a connection test. The program window in OBS may show visual static while this occurs. That's normal. If there are any issues connecting your account, the process will fail. Reasons for this might include a weak internet connection or your YouTube account not yet being authenticated and set up for live streaming. Note that this is a separate authentication process done directly through YouTube and can unfortunately take up to 24 hours to complete. To find more information on how to authenticate your YouTube account, simply Google Authenticate YouTube Account for live streaming. If the test is successful, the next auto configuration window will open, showcasing the connection test results. Click Apply Settings to finish the setup. Once your profile has been set up, you'll notice a new Manage Broadcast button on your controls dock. Clicking this will open a window where you can adjust your broadcast settings. After filling it out to your liking, you can click Create Broadcast or Create Broadcast and start streaming. The first one will simply save this broadcast so you can reuse it later, and the second means you will immediately start live streaming. The Select Existing Broadcast tab at the top of the window allows you to use previous broadcasts. It also allows you to open YouTube Studio, which is a handy way to directly access your YouTube Studio account. If you've chosen to start streaming, YouTube Studio will provide helpful information about your stream, like live analytics in a chat moderation window. You can access this through YouTube by selecting the Create button, then clicking Go Live. It's always best to test out your stream functionality prior to doing a live event. Audio can be very tricky if you're using multiple sources as well. Have fun and happy streaming.